Going to go to Alec Murdaugh, the trial, and the jury is about to visit the scene of the double murders as attorneys prepare for closing arguments later today. Eva Pilgrim is at the South Carolina courthouse with more. Good morning, Eva.
Good morning. That jury will head to the crime scene this morning. This is just a chance for them to see where this all happened. No presentation, no talking. This morning, the jury visiting the site where Maggie and Paul Murdaugh were murdered with strict rules in place.
You're not allowed while there to ask any questions, including any law enforcement personnel. If you have any questions, you can only ask me.
The visit coming just before closing arguments begin in the Alec Murdaugh trial after both sides finished presenting their cases.
State rests.
Prosecutors using their rebuttal to call witnesses back to the stand in a final push to prove the disgraced lawyer murdered his wife and son, attacking the defense's theory that two shooters were likely involved.
Can the defense include, to the exclusion of all other possibilities, two shooters?
Absolutely not.
The state's crime scene expert walking jurors through the defense's theory of how the crime unfolded. Prosecutors arguing the evidence doesn't fit.
So what did you find odd about the theory, first of all?
I think the theory is preposterous, in my opinion.
The state's pathologist standing by her analysis, but when pressed by the defense, admitting to having some regrets.
I guess hindsight is always 20/20. I could have taken x-rays of the brain. I could have taken more photos.
The prosecution taking aim at Alec Murdaugh's emotional performance on the witness stand, calling his former law partner to show Murdaugh knew how to perform for a jury when he was a trial attorney.
He was a theatrical type presence in the courtroom, and he could get very emotional doing closing arguments in front of a jury.
But the defense pushing back during a heated exchange, suggesting that partner is angry after having to pay clients back for money Alec Murdaugh stole.
Are you angry at him for stealing your money?
I have no feeling one way or the other.
I don't have any feeling about Alec Murdaugh betraying you and stealing your money. I admire you. I don't know that I can look beyond that.
I have had anger with him, extreme anger, Mr. Hart-Pootlian, because of what he did to my law firm, my partners, my client, his clients, our clients, what he did to his family. You are dead wrong if you think I've come in here and told this jury something because of money. When we're talking about two people who were brutally murdered, then you're headed in the wrong direction.
So what's next? After the jury goes to visit the crime scene, then this afternoon, closing arguments are expected, and very soon this case will be in the hands of the jury to determine, did Alec Murdaugh kill his wife and son? Rebecca?
Inching closer and closer to that verdict, and we know you'll be following it each step of the way. Eva Pilgrim, thank you.
Well, hey there, GMA fans. Robin Roberts here. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Lots of great stuff here. So go on, click the subscribe button right over here to get more of awesome videos and content from GMA every day, anytime. We thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the morning on GMA.